Hey guys, this is Nico from YC Onion. So after a long time, YC Onion launched a new version of Energy Tube. The performance, the appearance, and even the size get a fully upgrade. So here comes the YC Onion Energy Tube Pro, an intelligent app control and portable photography light. Adopted durable aluminum alloy and high-strength PC material to make a professional appearance of the light, giving it a fully technological sense of shape. Ultra-high CRI and standard color science can truly restore the color texture of the object. In order to meet the needs of more users, we have launched different versions. There is Pro 60 and Pro 120. They are both RGB lights with 15 special effects. There is a tiny display screen on the back. The current values of the brightness and mode can be displayed in real time. The edge of the display also gets a new upgrade: smoother dial knob, silent control of the light parameters, and physical buttons, which make it easy to operate. In terms of the lighting, we have precise adjustment of the color composition and the color temperature from 3200 to 6200 K. In terms of the brightness, compared with the previous generation, it has increased by over 200% to 400%. And all of this can be achieved just because the high-quality LED beads we chose. The CRI is up to 98, multiple bicolor LED beads and RGB beads. YC Onion is committed to restoring the real color texture in life. In terms of the battery life, it can last for up to 12 hours. When it's at full power, it can last for more than 90 minutes. So you don't need to worry about running out of the battery at all. The Energy Tube Pro supports the DC 18-volt power adapter for long-term power supply. There is also a detachable lithium battery design, which can provide longer outdoor battery life with battery replacement. In addition, our Energy Tube Pro can also be controlled by app. Adjust the brightness, saturation, hue, and switch multiple special effect modes at any time. You can share colors by scanning, you can preset special effects, or you can change colors by swiping left or right. There are so many other functions. The app can achieve fine and flexible remote light control. Based on the app, YC Onion breaks the rules of traditional ways of using the app. With a mobile phone, you can directly connect and control multiple lighting devices. Through the interconnection, a variety of different lights can be operated synchronously, creating a YC Onion multi-axis lighting control system. Of course, there's also a wealth of accessories for you to choose from. The included hand grip can also be easily used for long-term handheld shooting. It has its own threaded hold add button, a tripod, or a light stand can be also mounted on it absolutely. The exclusive braid effectively restricts the light range, applies to more things. YC Onion knows what you need. So this is all about the new product Energy Tube Pro. Please comment down below if you need help. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!